Hi everyone, this video is on two-step equations word problems. So Anne took a taxi home from the airport. The taxi fare was $2.10 per mile and she gave the driver a tip of $5. It says that Anne paid a total of $49.10. So for our equation here, it says write an equation to determine the distance in miles x. So it was $2.10 for every mile and she paid $5 and a tip, and that has to equal $49.10. So now we need to solve that. So first thing we have to do is get rid of the plus 5. So we're going to do $49.10 minus 5, and we get $44.10. So that means that this is now 2.10x equals $44.10. Now we have to divide by 2.10 and divide by 2.10. So we divide by 2.10 and we get 21. So our answer then is 21 miles. Cookies are on sale. Today each cookie costs 75 cents less than the normal price. Right now if you buy 7 of them, it will only cost you $2.80. They tell us the normal price is C, so 75 is less than C, 75 cents less than C. So that would be C minus 0.75. And then we have 7 of them. So that whole thing then would have to be multiplied by 7. So this is going to be 7, and then it's going to be C minus 0.75, close your parenthesis, equals $2.80. So now we would divide by 7 and divide by 7. So C minus 0.75 equals $2.80 divided by 7, which is 0.4. And then we would have to add 0.75 and add 0.75. So that would mean that C is equal to 0.4 plus 0.75, which is $1.15. Okay, John read the first 114 pages of a novel, which was 3 pages less than 1/3 of the novel. Write an equation represents the total number of pages of the novel. So 1/3 of the whole novel P. So 1/3 of the whole novel P, and then 3 pages less would have to equal 114. So that's what we need to solve, and that's what our equation is. So 1/3 P minus 3 equals 114. So now we need to add 3 and add 3. So that means this would be 1/3, or P divided by 3, equals 117. And then to get rid of dividing by 3, you would multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. So we need to do 117 times 3, which is 351. So the number of pages then is 351. Again, your 3's here would cancel, and that gives you the 351. Tim answered all the questions on his math test, but he got 10 answers wrong. He received 4 points for every correct answer. There was no penalty for wrong answers. His score was 76 points. Write an equation to determine the number of questions on Tim's math test. So there was no penalty for wrong answers, is one of the first things here. So that would be 10 questions in addition to how many points that he received. So he received 4 points for every correct answer, and his score was 76 points. So the 10 that he didn't do, or he got wrong, I should say, plus 76 divided by 4 would tell us how many questions there were that he got right, because they were each 4 points, has to then equal the total number of questions on the test. So 76 divided by 4 is 19. So that would mean that there must have been 29 questions on the test. Because he had 10 wrong, but there was no penalty. And then that would have to be included though for those 10 questions, plus the 76 points divided by 4 points, because each of them was worth 4, would be another 19 questions. So that would mean there would then be a total of 29 questions. So hopefully that video helped if you were struggling with two-step equations, word problems.